Hi, cerebral palsy and vision. Can glasses help with cerebral palsy and vision? Absolutely. First of all, seeing the difference in hyperopia, and this is for Leanne, by the way. Hyperopia is alignment of the eye where the eye wants to come in and out. We need weight transfer and transitional skills through vision, through fine motor skills, through gross motor skills. Vision is the one sense that connects all the senses, including the subsenses. So I might hear, I get it, but let's say if I close my eyes and you tell me about spaghetti, now you and I, again, because we're adults, I can visualize, right? The vision is what connects everything, whether it's taste, smells, touch, whatever. A child sees something, they want to touch it. You know what I mean? So vision is key. And I've said this before, if you improve vision, you improve every movement of the human body. So, but to wait and see when you already have so many issues, that's going to stop right now. If you want me to talk to your husband, I'm going to talk to your husband. No. Do you want bad vision? Right? If I gave you a pair of glasses again that just messed up your eyes, would you go around like that? No, the answer would be no. It's not only do you have good vision. So I don't have your script, so I don't know, and I know your frustrations with the whole thing. It's disgusting that a child can't get good visual help. But glasses just make this happen, right? That's the whole point of glasses, is to get binocular vision, right? And so without glasses, you have hyperopia, which is the eyes going up and in. So again, so I can do my right eye, right? So this is me having good convergence and movement, right? Because I have binocular vision. So hyperopia is not only when the eye goes in, but it can go up. So that's what my eye looks like. Now, guys, I can't see you. I can see two of me, but there's no convergence. I kind of can see, again, that's why I'm long-sighted. I can see the wood and stuff behind my phone, but I can't see you. And now here, I'm trying to, and there, I've self-patched so I can see you, right? And here, I can't see you at all with that alignment, and I have to move my eyes. When a child already has now cerebral palsy, you're asking the child to visually move around the eyes. And that's not how we work, right? No matter what I'm doing right now, my eyes are just going with my head, right? Now, I can sit there and keep my eyes straight and do something like that. But again, these are adult-based processes, not for a child. So again, when I'm doing something and I don't have a good sense of balance, whether it's just on my back, because again, I'm visually out of alignment, well, my body's going to be out of alignment because there's no focal point. And so I would strongly patch. Now, my patching program is very clear and interesting. I would do both eyes with the glasses on, 5 minutes, maybe 10, but 5 minutes. I'm just going for something here. So again, I have my patching course. There's more detail in that, and a lot of information I have on vision. Vision, because my son was legally blind and started out at Foundation for Blind. So you're patching in one eye and you want to see where there's central vision, right? So you would have something there. I know you can't see or whatever, but because I'm blocking my eye. So I'm going to bring it there. So normally my eye would just catch right straight on within the alignment. Now with hyperopia, you might find that her one eye is more up here, and when you patch the other eye, it's more here. So the first goal is to bring that object to central vision. Right? And don't go back and forth. I'm not looking for this. You're not sitting here doing that. You want again, wherever the alignment is, you want to, that's your first goal. And so if you might see that the eye that's more affected and is, the hyperopia, then after about 2 weeks, I want you to go into that and then only patch the more difficult eye. You're going to start with the better eye, by the way. The better eye having vision. So if my left eye is my weak eye, I'm going to patch that first. Why? Because you want there to be vision. You want that success. Why are you patching also both eyes? Because first of all, both eyes have to get used to the glasses, which they haven't been done yet because you didn't do it. And then two, what you're looking for is the strong eye to be like, oh, wow, I can see. I don't have the other eye affecting me. Woohoo! And then the other eye is going to be like, oh my goodness, I can't see. But that's how we learn, by comparison. And so you want the good eye to strengthen the bad eye. But if the good eye doesn't even know it's a good eye because it's been used to the bad eye influencing it, that's where you have that. So I would have that conversation. And then once you start seeing, then after about 2 weeks, you're going to patch at least every day so the bad eye can be worked with. You're always going to be working with that eye. You don't just patch and leave them. There's no 2-hour patching and just leaving a kid go. I see all this this is where the other groups kill me. You know, like, oh, I'm doing my patching. Well, they're in a car seat. They're going 70 miles an hour with no depth perception, patched. Oh yeah, frog in the blender. Yeah, that's not, and then they go, why doesn't patching help? Because you didn't do the vision. So that's where you're going to be at. 5 minutes, maybe 10. I don't think she can handle more than that just right off the bat. And that's how you're going to work with it. And just again, see what another month gives you, and you'll be surprised. She had a month to get used to the glasses, and now it's time to start with the patching program, and we'll go from there. Thanks.